Hello everyone. This is just kind of a quick overview of these Hilitchi wire connector terminals. This is the second pack I've gotten of these, so I pretty much used up all the ones I had before. And I just want to point out that for $8, these connectors really are pretty good. I made this video as for a lot of small products like this, it's hard to tell by the picture what you're getting and the quality and just, just like total junk or is the product good. So basically I've gone, like I said, I've gone through a whole set of these. They connect and clip in pretty well. As you can see the connector by the way it fits. Also, they are hard plastic, so you need to put shrink wrap over this. But overall, they stay together very well. As you can see, I'm just trying to get it apart. So it's right, there's no worry of it kind of slipping out easily. You really need to put in a lot of effort. I just want to show them and say that if you're looking for some simple wiring terminal connectors, these are for 14 and 16 gauge. I've had good luck with these, and for I think like $7.89, I think they're a good buy.